And so it begins. The stress of the holidays. I did a little research to discover the top 3 holiday stressors. 13% of people surveyed said their top holiday stress factor is money, shopping, and commercialization. Makes sense. 22% said self-stress, specifically the stress that comes from self-expectations. And a whopping 65% of people shared that it's actually their family and in-laws. So, picture Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, all the endless eating, present opening, and family gathering, all the fun of the holidays, along with all the people we love. Well, that just puts all 3 holiday stressors into the same room. This can't just be my family. You've seen the same memes and cartoons, books, TV shows, movies, and t-shirts as I have. There are jokes about dysfunctional families everywhere. Obviously, we use humor to hide the struggle, whether it's from disappointments, disillusionments, and arguments, or whether it's from regret or loss. You are certainly not alone if the holidays offer more emotional challenge than joy. Which brings us to this week's thought. The holidays, yay! Another opportunity to be dysfunctional together. What can we do to help cope? Well, first, we can dump the parts we can't control. Who likes us, past mistakes, someone else's decisions, others being kind or not kind, or even death. And we can take charge of the parts we can control, like being accountable, responding to challenges, working hard, asking for help, trying again, forgiving, doing homework, and honoring decisions. And third, we can focus on our blessings. Loki reminds us that gratitude shifts our focus from what our life lacks to the abundance that is already present. And Melody Beattie says gratitude turns what we have into enough. So this week's challenge is to think about all the things you're grateful for. And when the stress of the holiday family or lack of family is too much, start with the letter A and continue through the alphabet, noticing everything you're grateful for now and for your future. This is Beth Nichols signing off.